Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 9. So in the last class we have started with the exercise number 2.1 and also we have completed with the polynomials in one variables and polynomials in two variables. So all these concepts we have studied in your previous video. In this video you are going to learn and also you are going to solve the remaining exercise of exercise number 2.1. So first here I written the question. Second one question says write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. So write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. So see here coefficient means all you also know that is coefficient means it is multiplied with the variable. So see here coefficient of x is 1. So 1 into x. So what is the coefficient of x means you have to write as 1. They are asking the coefficient of x square. So you have to write the coefficient of x square. X square is, so see here anything which is multiplied, if there is nothing means you have to write as, we have to think it is 1. So the coefficient of x square is 1. Okay, so you have to write this. The coefficient of x square is 1. Similarly, complete one more sentence. What is the coefficient of x square here? The coefficient of x square here is, that is how much? It is pi by 2. Okay. So here see it is root of 2x. So root 2 into x it is, which is equals to root 2x. Sir, but here there is no any x square term. So means the coefficient of x square here is 0. So there is nothing they have given, means the coefficient of x square is 0. Okay, so these are three problems I have taken from your exercise. Some more two examples are there. You have to solve and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Next question says give an example of binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. So you know that is monomial means you already know an expression containing only one term, and binomial means you know your expression containing two terms. Is it? An expression containing only one term is monomial, and expression containing two terms is binomial. The question says give an example of binomial degree that is 35 and monomial of degree 100. So I write monomial of degree 100. I choose this monomial as, I will write this monomial, that is monomial, which is equals to, I choose any variable from your alphabets from A to Z. I will choose this as y. Okay, so monomial I will choose as y, and the degree is 100. Similarly, binomial I want to write the expression. An expression containing two terms is called binomial. Binomial means you should write as, you take of x raised to, I choose x as a variable of degree 35, and given binomial expression I will choose as plus 1. Okay, so x raised to 35 plus 1 I will choose as a binomial expression, and y raised to 100 I will choose as monomial expression. Please note down this problem. Next we are having as write the degree of each of the following. So degree of the following means you should know the degree of the definition. Degree of polynomial you have studied in a previous video, that is the highest degree of the variable. So the variables are here x cube, x square and x. In these variables you have to see the highest variable. Here see the highest variable is 1. Here see the highest variable is 2. Here see the highest variable is 3. So the degree of the polynomial, the highest degree of this polynomial is, you have to write in sentence the highest degree, that is degree of polynomial, that is 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x is 3. Similarly, what is the highest degree of this polynomial? You should not think any, or you should not see any operation. you have to see the variable and you have to see what is the power of the highest variable. Highest variable is here y square. So this is the highest variable. You can write here this as the highest variable. It is the highest degree of polynomial is 2 here. Polynomial is 2. Okay, so please note down, these are some of the examples I have solved. In the degree of the polynomials, there are some more examples remaining. You have to solve by yourself and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so please note down the exercise number 2.1, that is second question, third question and fourth main question. I will solve now fifth question. Okay, dear students, now see the exercise number 2.1, that is a fifth question. Says the fifth question, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So see here, linear means you already know, so that is linear, it is already know, the highest power of the variable is 1. If the degree of the highest power of the variable is 1, then such type of an equation we say as linear equation. Similarly, you know, that is quadratic equation. So quadratic, you know, it is quadratic means the highest variable of the power should be 2. If the highest variable of the power should be, if it is 2, then we say it is quadratic. Next we are having as cubic. So cubic, I will write this as x cube. If the highest power of the variable is 3, then it is right, we can say it is as cubic equation. So here 3 means cubic, 2 means quadratic, 1 means linear. Okay, so this concept should be known before solving this an exercise. So see here, dear students, the question says, what the question says, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. That is, first one question is x square plus x. Here see the power of x is 2 and here the power of x is 1. We have to see the highest power of this polynomial. So the highest power of the polynomial is 2, means here the degree of the polynomial is 2. If it is 2, means it is quadratic. So this is an quadratic polynomial. This is an quadratic polynomial. Okay, so you have to write this. Degree of the polynomial is quadratic polynomial because the highest power is 2. Similarly, in this polynomial, see the highest power of the equation, that is expression here x raised to 1, here x raised to 3. You should not see any operation, you have to see the highest power of the variable. So the highest power of the variable is 3, means you can write this is as cubic polynomial. Okay, so you have to complete this exercise. Remember, similarly, it is 1 plus x. 1 plus x means here x is the variable. The highest power is 1. The highest power is 1 means it is, we can write as this as a linear polynomial. Okay, it is linear polynomial. Here see it is r square. R is also is variable and the highest power is 2, means we can write it is as quadratic polynomial. It is quadratic polynomial. Okay, some more 2 examples are there. You have to solve by yourself. Please note down these problems. First one says x square plus x, the highest power of the variable is 2, so it is quadratic polynomial. Similarly, x minus x cube, there the highest power of the variable is 3, hence we can say it is cubic polynomial. Similarly, 1 plus x, that is power x raised to it is 1, the highest power is 1, means we can say it is linear polynomial. Also r square is the highest power is 2, hence we can say it is quadratic polynomial. Please note down, this completes your exercise number 2.1 and please follow the video and note down the exercise. And this plays a very important about the exercise number 2.1. So before this you have learned now the 3 concepts, that is definition of polynomial and what is you have studied. You have studied the polynomials in one variable and that the variable should be same, that is you have learned this, that is x square plus x plus 1. So the variable should be same. If it is x square plus y square, means it is polynomials in two variables. You already learned these two concepts, that is polynomials in one variable and polynomials in two variable. Also you have learned the degree of the polynomial. The highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. In degree of the polynomial you have studied the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Linear polynomials means the highest power should be 1. Quadratic polynomial, the highest power should be 2. Cubic polynomials means the highest power should be 3. And based on this you have solved some of the examples of exercise number 2.1, and also you have learned the types of expression, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial and what is polynomial. So all these concepts should be known, and this exercise should be solved, that is exercise number 2.1 should be solved, and you have to send through my WhatsApp number. Okay, so please note down this exercise.